Lately, VO3 ads and AI videos have been blowing up online. What's really driving this trend is a new kind of prompt format called JSON prompting. And trust me, with the right prompts, you can create some seriously cool stuff. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it from scratch. It all kicked off when someone started sharing these super creative tennis-themed ads and IKEA-style unboxing videos. But you're definitely not stuck with that one style. You can remix it with different brands, visual themes, even fictional characters. I'll show you how to make your own, give you all the prompts I used, and share a few fun and creative examples to get you inspired. Before we jump in, I just want to clear something up real quick. A lot of people think JSON prompts are some kind of magic formula that automatically makes your videos look amazing. But that's not really the case. Like Google Flow mentioned on X, it's just a way to organize your video ideas in a more structured format. You don't have to use JSON. But personally, I think it works especially well for detailed ad-style videos. That being said, I'm going to show you the exact JSON prompts I use to make awesome Smeg toaster ad like this. And unboxing ad. And I've also put together 13 more ready-to-use JSON prompts for you. Just hit the link in the description below. All right, let's kick off with unboxing ads. First, pick any platform that gives you access to Veo 3. I'm using Google Flow for this one. Just hit Add New Project, then select the Veo 3 Fast model, because it comes with built-in audio that perfectly matches the visuals. Then set the output to one video. That keeps the cost down. Now, before we enter the prompt, let me quickly explain what a JSON prompt actually is. Basically, it's a string of JavaScript code that helps the AI better understand what you want. Like what should be happening in the scene, what kind of camera movement to use, how the lighting should look, what objects or setting it should include, and so on. This structure makes it way easier to generate short videos with complex transitions and dynamic camera shots. Okay, I'm gonna copy a Hello Kitty JSON prompt I've already prepared, paste it into Veo 3, and hit generate. Wow, that actually turned out super clean. Now let me show you how to create your own JSON prompt just like that. Go to ChatGPT and search for Veo 3 JSON prompt. Find a pre-trained template and click into the chat. From there, just choose Develop a prompt from your idea. Type a short description of what you want, and it'll instantly build a full, structured prompt for you. Copy and paste that into Veo 3, and boom, you've got a video. This one turned out awesome too. Sometimes it takes a few tries to really dial it in, but once you get the hang of it, the results are, honestly, kinda wild. And I also made a Spider-Man unboxing video. Overall, this one turned out pretty well. It would have been even better with a few more room elements in the prompt. Then here's another one, an unboxing video of Hermès. Super cool, right? And honestly, you could totally use this format for real branded ads, like the Mercedes ad I showed earlier. You can create something like that just by sending in a few prompt lines describing your idea. For example, make an ad for a Canon camera. Of course, the more detailed, the better. ChatGPT will take care of the rest. Just copy your prompt into Veo 3 and boom. Getting results like this on the very first try, that's seriously cool. Now, for the Coca-Cola ad I showed earlier, I actually had to try a few times to get it right. Same with this AirPods one. It took a few attempts, but I was really happy with how it turned out in the end. But my personal favorite is still the toaster ad from the beginning. It honestly looks like it cost tens of thousands of dollars to make. I even made ads for a sports car and a motorcycle. And the results? Just next level. And now I'm really curious. If it were up to you, what would you make? Let me know in the comments. And finally, you can even use this format to create powerful public service announcements, just like this one. With a bit of creativity, the results can be seriously impressive. Try one of the prompts I shared today. They work surprisingly well. And if it helps you out, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.